What's up, everybody? This is a one-shot, one-kill because I have to get the hell out of here. So this is the new rack we did for a customer. I'm not going to say who it is. Out of respect for privacy. These are the new racks. We make these removable. The front section comes off. Most of the repairs on these trucks are done with the cab off. And if you don't have that front section removable, I don't know how they're going to do anything on these things. So all these crossbars are removable, adjustable. The back one's also removable, swings out on pins. And one of the cool things about this one is the customer wanted these pretty cool ratchet straps. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. I don't think I can, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, you guys didn't see that, but you push this button, it goes forward, and then you push it again, it retracts. And then it kind of like locks into place there, and then you just ratchet it. So if you guys need some heavy duty truck racks, let us know.